Hi, welcome back. Indeed, it is time to look at, yes, the Commodore 64. Now, this one, oh, well, it is missing a chip. Certainly the clips on the back of the case are already, 2 out of 3 of them are broken. The big ones are gone, but you know, it doesn't look so bad. Now, what chip? What chip is missing? I would bet it's the SID chip. I would bet somebody needed one. Probably. So this is assembly 250407, artwork number 251137. And that's some dust bunnies. Oh, okay. 64 old electrical tape, bus card wire, soundworks, bus card. 30, talks 1541. Anyway, according to this, in August of 2014, I looked at this. It doesn't seem I've done much with it since. So without a SID chip in here, it should, if it is working, it should still fire up. And it does. Look at that. So,
that was easy.
That's encouraging. So let's just turn it on and switch over. See if the dead test does come in. The dead test is coming up. It is indeed. So I'm just looking, there is more dusty things. Most things are not in sockets. Like the 6526s and the 6510. Well, no, that's not most. Most things are socketed. SID chip is, PAL chip is, ROM chips are. I'm assuming video chip typically is. I don't know that I've ever seen a video chip that isn't socketed. And of course, all the RAM chips and everything else are not socketed. They're directly in. Oh yeah, the case has signs of a little bit of breakage, but you know, things happen after all these years. So we're waiting. Oh. And of course, we knew the SID chip was going to work because it is indeed a SID chip that I've already tested. Well, alright, we can update this. Works 2014. December 2019. Still works. It does. So, we'll very carefully put the keyboard connector on, put the power LED on, without the clips in the back, sometimes things don't want to line up very well, but we might as well. Put a screw in. Maybe more. And I suppose one last thing. That one doesn't want to go. Oh well, so be it. One last thing, perhaps, would be to plug it in. Turn it on. And now the shift lock is down. And just run through the keys. Shift lock is down. Yep. Shift lock works. Shift key works. Shift key works. I'll press shift run so we don't get the error. If I press shift run stop, it'll tell me to press load on, press play on. Press play on tape. That's what it will say. It's funny, even when I screwed this in, you know what, it really doesn't look like the top fits very well on here. Oh well, I have other keyboards, but that is not what I'm up to these days. So, oops. What I'm doing here is just doing a little something. Oop. To fill the screen. I told it to print, sorry, 10, print. And by the way, the short form for print is question mark. When I list it again, it will say print. And I also see I have a spelling mistake. And when I press run, it will fill the screen. It will. And sometimes, it's rare, but sometimes when I do stuff like this, if there is something else lingering, like screen RAM things or other things, weird things will show up. Anyway, without further ado, it really doesn't. I think the top and the bottom really don't go together. But anyway, for the moment, they do. Shaboom. So, this has been updated. We have a working 64. And there's nothing wrong with that. But of course, we have more machines to look through. And I will continue. So if you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to send me a message. Oh, by the way, one thing about YouTube is it'll tell me when I've got a new message, so I can reply to it. But it doesn't tell me when I get a reply to my reply. So I have to go looking for the replies to the replies. So if ever it seems that you've said something, I've said something, and then you write back and I don't reply, I don't answer, I don't acknowledge, it means I didn't see it. It doesn't mean I'm ignoring you. Well, that's it for today. tune in again for more episodes, more Commodore 64s, more VIC-20s, more things. And once again, do I know how many Commodore 64s I have? No, I do not. I know that since I've started to, go through and dissect things and figure things, that I have 15 boards that are in a bin next to me here that need further investigation. How many do I have that works at this moment? That are working? That are fine? That are dandy? That are happy? I don't know. I've been making a pile. Perhaps I should count. Well,